For today, I'll be using this map and then extend that around 10 seconds. And then click the keyframe. So we will be using this keyframe. Then around 2 seconds, use the scale to zoom. So it's like a zoom effect. And after that, go to filters and the category of mono, look for the ink dim. And on the opacity, add keyframe on the starting as 0 and until the second keyframe, and then make the opacity to 70. And after that, duplicate this layer. So I'll be duplicating this layer. Then click the second keyframe, then split, then erase, then remove the effect. Now we will be using the masking tool, which is the draw mask. So we will be using this draw mask to remove the certain part and keep this part. So just trace the part that you want to keep, just like what I did. So we will be doing 3 parts for this. So this is the first part, and then I'll be copying this one. So after that, create compound clip and then paste this one and insert on the third layer. Then remove the mask first, since we will be doing another draw mask here but different parts. So for the second part, this is the part that I'll be tracing. Again, duplicate. So for the fourth layer, remove the mask first, then add the draw mask again. So this is the last part, or the third part for the masking. Don't forget to create compound clip once you're already finished using the draw mask. Then unhide the first layer so it will look like this. And after that, selecting the second layer again, go to color and under color, adjust the temperature, tint, vibrance, and saturation for you to be able to change the color. So it will look like this. And for the second compound clip, just adjust the temperature, tint, vibrance, and saturation in order for you to choose some different colors. And for the third clip, let's use this and adjust. So let's make this color yellow. So here is the finish for the colors. And after that, go to mask again using the circle mask. Using the circle mask, we will be adding or adjusting the shape of this. Make it smaller and then adjust the blur strength to 12 and then add keyframe in order for you to be able to have an animation on the using the keyframe. Use the keyframe on the transform of the mask, then adjust the scale so it will look like this. It is slowly fading. The same procedure on the second compound clip, and for the third compound clip, just make sure that the fading effect will be one by one, not all at once, like this one. And use the lock track in order for you not to disturb or not to move the other layers while you're editing the selected layer. And after that, select the 3 compound clips and then create compound clip that 3 clips again. And then using the keyframe again, using the transform and scale, adjust the size. And after that, copy the keyframe, then we'll be adjusting the exposure of the background picture to make it more darker, like this one. And after that, go to titles, search rolling, and using this rolling text 01, let's add this. Just align it on the last keyframe. Then adjust. If you think that the timing is not enough, just adjust. So I'll be putting the number of total houses on these certain parts. So if you will add those 3 parts, the total number of houses will be 3,000. And then adding the default title, I'll be putting total number of houses. Then change the font and the size as well. So I'll be placing it at the top of this rolling text, then add animation. So just adjust if you think that the animation is not enough for the timing. So once you're done, click render preview to check some errors. So let's see the final look.